Hi friends. So today I'm eating Jollibee. I could not decide what to eat with my kids. It is an ongoing thing. Like right now we're moving, so I'm not cooking. It's too much to do and I ain't got freaking time. I mean, I do have time, but I don't want to cook. So I am eating a labok with spicy chicken, and then I couldn't decide, like I said, so I'm eating spaghetti and palabok at the same time. So here for the photo. Can you see? Yeah, you can see. Yeah, you got it. Yeah, good, right? You gotta see me smile in there. Okay. All right, okay. So I am on this, like, not really, I mean, yeah, I guess you could call it a journey, but if you haven't liked and subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button on the bottom of the video, hit the little bell so you get notified every time I put up a new video. So what I was saying was, you know, for the longest time I cared so much about looking perfect and having things perfect, and that's what kept me away. As weird as that sounds, that's what kept me away from doing YouTube videos. I'm gonna be completely candid and honest with y'all. Like, I pressured myself to always look perfect, to have things perfectly done, and you know, that whole perfect thing is fucking bullshit. Like, I'm just, in the words of the great philosopher Deanna Lee Powell, I do not care. Yeah, I'm tired of needing to be perfect. I'm just over it. That was delicious. But had it been like 4 years ago when I started my channel, I always wanted to look the part. Like, it has to be perfect, you know? Me today, I don't care. I haven't washed my hair in 2 days. I've been moving. Like, I don't care. Food is banging, per usual. I love me some Jollibee when I can't cook, or when I don't want to cook. Okay, I got one spicy and one regular. Here, have the first bite of my chicken. I know you want to. Here you go. Nom, 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 nom. Okay, my turn. I love how their chicken, if it's spicy, says spicy on it. Red flag. That's the only red flag I'll ever need. But yeah, for years, I want to go into the perfect thing, because for years I've pressured myself into being perfect, and it's made me miserable. Like with my job. I'm tired of trying to be perfect, dude. I'm not doing it anymore. Yo, that spaghetti is banging. And it comes with, like, society too. You know, everybody on social media. Like, I see everybody use filters. It's like, stop. All it's doing is like creating this false thing of what you look like. It's not real. I think everybody should just like try to stop being perfect. That's just my opinion. I'm drinking Dasani water. Who drinks Dasani water? Nobody. JK Dasani. JK. Some palabok for you. Nums. You know, in my culture in the Philippines, it's like there's a lot of standards. It's like, oh, what degree do you have? How far in school did you go? How much money do you make? Like, it's, the perfection is like becoming a competition, and most of the time it's unhealthy, and it creates like unnecessary pressure. I'm just not with the standards anymore. One time, this guy I worked with, he was on Instagram and he asked me about these Instagram girls, and he was like, how do they get their bodies like that? I'm like, bro, it's not real. I mean, they're real. They're humans. They're real. But they've gotten stuff done. All because society standards. You gotta look a certain way. You gotta talk a certain way. Like, I'm sick of it. You want another bite? Since I'm talking your ear off. There you go. Here's another bite. No. But for me, for a long time, you know, like, you guys see my YouTube channel, I was always made up in my videos. I always wanted to wear makeup, and there's nothing wrong with that, because I love makeup. Like, I love exploring. But I have more days, like today, I have more days where I don't want to do my makeup. I just want to be natural. And to all the girls that don't wear makeup, that feel the pressure to, stop. You're beautiful the way you are. And it took me over 30 years to learn that. Being perfect is overrated. And we should all just chill out. Here's another bite. Yum. Yo, the palabok is like banging. I'm probably done after this. I was freaking starving. But anyways, one of the main points I wanted to record this video is because in the next couple days, I'm gonna be releasing some footage that I took while I visited the Philippines last year in May 2022. Oh shoot! Excuse me. But I'm gonna be uploading some videos from my Philippines trip in May 2022. I went back last year because my grandmother passed away, and I was blessed to have my ticket paid for by a certain person who shall remain nameless because I don't want to give this person away. It was an act of great deed, and you know, I'm still paying it forward to people, but this was a great blessing that this person did to send me back home. It had been the first time that I've been home in 14 years, so I'm going to release some of those footages. And I held on to it for so long because I was like, wait, I can't just upload it like that. It needs to be like perfectly lined up, whatever. But you know what? My expectation of perfect is not perfect, so I'm just going to upload the videos as they are and show my experience, because this whole being perfect thing has really messed me up. So I am going to be releasing a lot of videos in the next coming days about my trip in the Philippines in 2022. But for the longest time, my parents are like, why haven't you uploaded the videos yet? I'm like, I have to edit them. Like, but now I'm thinking like, why am I editing them and for what? They're great the way they are. So yo, I'm full. But yeah, I'm gonna label it Philippines 2022. That way you guys can keep track. I might put like part 1, part 2, or like whatever was happening in there. I'll put it in the title. But yeah, just look out for that in the next couple days, and make sure if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, the subscribe button is on the bottom of the video. Hit the little bell so you get notified every time I put up in a video, and yeah, just stay tuned for the videos that I'll be releasing about the Philippines.
I'm your son. Hi.
They know you're my son, boy.
Wait, where's the straws?
Bruh,
You
it's in my
already
purse.
ate? Give me that.
I was hungry, my guy.
You're
Can we
hungry,
do gaming now?
You have spaghetti on your chin. Only mommy gets kisses on the lips.
Go say that for your fans.
No, bro, you're gonna be it.
Well, they already saw it, so